Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will introduce reciprocal ratios. So we know about sine, cos, and tan. Now there are three more. So cosec is 1 over sine theta. The secant ratio or sec theta is 1 over cos theta. And the cotangent ratio or cot theta is 1 over tan theta. That's why they're called reciprocals. So we're going to use this to calculate the exact value of each of these. So let's start with cosec of pi on 6. Now you have to be careful with cosec and sec. This one looks like cos. You'd think, oh, it's probably 1 over cos theta. It's not. Cosec theta is actually 1 over sine theta. So cosec of pi on 6 is actually 1 over sine of pi on 6. Now we know that sine pi on 6 is a half, so this is just 1 over a half, which is 2. So if you have to calculate the exact value of a reciprocal ratio, just write it in terms of sine, cos, or tan. So for sec of 5 pi on 4, it's not 1 over sine, it's 1 over cos of 5 pi on 4. So what is cos of 5 pi on 4? Well, cos of 5 pi on 4 is just the negative of cos pi on 4. So it's negative 1 over root 2. So then sec of 5 pi on 4 is just negative root 2. All right, so what about the cotangent of 3 pi on 2? So this one's a bit more interesting because tan of 3 pi on 2 is actually undefined. If I put 1 over tan 3 pi on 2 on my calculator, it's not going to work. But remember that tan theta is just sine theta over cos theta, one of those identities that always comes up. So for cot of anything, it's actually going to be the opposite. It's going to be cos of the number over sine of the number. So cos of 3 pi on 2 is 0. Sine of 3 pi on 2 is negative 1. Of course, 0 divided negative 1 is 0. So cot 3 pi on 2 is 0. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.